Hey, this is Randy, Mountain Air Farms. Alright, we've been over here. We've about got all the stringers up. We still got to put a man door in there. But I need to get the how high and everything, what the dimensions is on it before I cut out the hole. Got set 2 4x4s on the sides. But I need to get the dimensions before I do that. But here's going to be the big drive-through door. Tomorrow we're going to put all the pressure treated on the bottom and everything. I've got to get a concrete bit. We got to anchor them to the wall there. The board's coming over from the bottom. We'll have that. And the pressure treated board coming over to where the tin's going to screw to. We got that there in front, that in the back. It's turned out really good. But it's hot here in East Tennessee. I like the idea of that side door and this door here. At least you can have ventilation coming through. And if you're working on something, if you don't need to open up the big door, you can just open up the little door. But there'll be a man door right there. Or a woman door. Whichever. Well, we got the tin order today. It should be here probably on Monday, maybe Tuesday. But we'll start throwing that on there. It's getting there.